Hi, bro.
How are you?
I'm fine. Can you hear me?
So, yeah. I also.
Okay, that's great. That's great. That's great. Okay, bro. So, guys, don't those who don't know who Saikat is a podcaster and a social media marketer. So, tell Saikat about yourself.
Thanks, Varro, and thanks AK-47, bro, because it's an interesting name around the web. I don't find any kind of name about like you. It's
Okay.
really impressive and really unique. It's totally unique.
Okay.
There's no any kind of people who have available the call about the as a username of digital AK-47.
That's my pleasure.
So
That's my pleasure.
thank you. So basically, I'm a social media marketer. As a freelancer, I do multiple job, and as well as I do doing part-time job, and as well as I do freelancing,
Okay, that's
and
great.
my digital marketing journey started from a couple of years ago. And when I was just we saw actually the first ads over the Facebook,
Okay.
and that's inspired me a lot. Actually, I really inspired all that particular time that how it's ongoing and why the ads coming
Okay.
and lot of things, and the evolving the technology will change day by day. As you all know, the after the COVID situation, we are all in lockdown, we are all in home, and it's I think it's a we have a great chance to access the internet, and I think we can learn a lot of things from internet. And I think it's the biggest changes in our life to become an easily accessible as an internet person,
Yeah.
as a marketeers, and many more things, right?
Yeah. I
So
understand.
in that time I learned a lot of things, like how run an ad, how to run and how to run such kind of campaigns, and how to like lot of things.
Okay.
But earlier that time I started from my journey as an SEO person,
Oh.
and then I moved to as a yeah, I started my digital marketing journey as a SEO, and then I moved to social media marketer. As a social media marketer,
Similar like me, because my first job was an SEO internship.
yeah.
Then I went to social media. Then like I started personal branding. So I am helping people now. Now I'm completely on influencing and also giving services for personal branding. So our journey is more kind of similar. But the thing is, I post content on my YouTube and you post content on podcasting. So let's get to
Yeah.
the point actually. As today's my
Yeah.
topic is podcasting is an investment in 2021 for beginners?
Yeah, it's and definitely investing.
Yeah.
For let me explain that if, for example, in my case, if I start an YouTube, right? If you notice that there's a lot of YouTubers are available who just to be share their video content, a bunch of video content over YouTube. Like in a kind of what is, for example, what is digital marketing, right? There's a ton of contents over you on YouTube, right? So if I start an YouTube channel and grow on it, and in a as a video content, as a video creator on YouTube, I think it's really tough for me,
Yeah, yeah,
because
yeah.
there's a too much difficult, there's too much high in there's difficult to rank on my channel as in content, because the content already available on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
So if, for example, in case of SEO, if I talk about the you mean I mean YouTube SEO, so there's a if I search something like that, there's a ton of website, and sorry, there's a ton of YouTube channels are available,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
right?
I understand.
So basically I think the podcast is the another option. There is no competition over there,
Okay.
there is no competition over there, because and if I'm starting my podcast, and in the lockdown time, in the COVID time, in 2020. So basically whenever I just started, I don't think that how to start or how to I mean, I don't have any kind of knowledge how to start. I just to be going through anchor.fm
Okay.
and create an account and start and my experience, sharing my experience over there. And daily I do that, because it's simple. It's not necessary any kind of high high level computer to editing something, to graphics, to design, to all of kind of
You
things.
just need a
It's just
phone's
an
mic.
audio.
You just need a phone's mic to
Yeah,
record it. That's it.
yeah, yeah. That's I think it's a simple way. It's a simple way. That's another thing. There's no competition over on podcast. So I think it is the best chance for me to rank easily.
And guys,
And
those who
if
don't know,
someone who just
no, those who don't know, Psycat has an active listeners of 1,000 people on his podcasting. So, Psycat, how much episodes do you have covered on your podcast? And which platform you actually publish your podcast?
yeah, sure. So I completed like I think 230 plus
Oh,
episodes.
that's huge number.
Uh, yeah, and I want to use Anchor.fm because it's an easy way to distribute every platform like Apple Podcast, Spotify,
Okay.
or any kind of podcasting channel. So I think Anchor is the best option. We're gonna be create as an we're gonna be boom up with a podcaster 2021, and Anchor.fm is the best platform.
Okay.
Because there is a lot of platform over there, but after if you have noticed that if you have noticed that Anchor now actually powered by Spotify,
Yeah.
because so it is, I think it's interconnected. You notice that there's an interconnected between the Spotify and Anchor.fm. So I think it is the biggest chance. It is the biggest chance to visible your audio content as a podcast and share your journey, your marketing journey, or any kind of journey over there.
So, is there is a particular criteria that how kind of people we should start a podcast? Because if I want to start a podcast and I know my niche
Right.
is personal branding and social media marketing, so how could I start it from totally scratch? Because I don't even have the knowledge of that. And the thing is, some of my viewers
Yeah.
also wanted to start because voice SEO is the thing. In 2021, voice SEO is the big thing because everything is virtual assistant. Everything is Google, Alexa, and Siri.
Right.
So the thing is, please share few tips for beginners, those who can start a podcasting for themselves.
Okay. So let me first that at first you define your audience. For example, if for example in my case, I'm sharing digital marketing and personal branding type of content, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So who's listening my audience? I mean, who's listening my episode?
The most
Maybe there is
probably
a
interest in
marketer.
digital marketing and also personal branding.
Yes.
These are my audiences.
Yes, and those industry who are related to digital marketing,
Yeah.
they are gonna be interested also, because in terms of marketing content I have, they have to be interested, because if there isn't any kind of needed something, so they're gonna be go through my podcast because I have already marketing content, right?
Yeah.
So at first I think you have to decide your audience, right? That for example, if I am go through such kind of marketing channel and marketing personal branding, so make sure I share my marketing knowledge, right? So if you want to be share about your journey, so make sure you have to define your audience and then choose the platform. The second one, first one is define your audience, second one is choose the platform. एंकर हो गया, ठीक है. उसके बाद if you are gonna go with such kind of thing like at first as a newbie you have to be share multiple people who are just to be interested about the podcast, ठीक है. So then if you wanna go with your relatives, if you wanna go with your friends,
Yeah.
that's the another one. If you wanna go with your friends, because your friends will love to, because your friends will easily access you because they know you, right? For example, if I'm go through such kind of podcast, I'm sharing with my link on my particular friends. Hey, this is my latest episode about the marketing, but they don't have any kind of interest, but they want to listen because it's my friend, right?
Because no,
So
obviously, because when I started my YouTube, my audience were my friends. Every video I shoot, I send it. I always send to my friends like, bro, see this. Bro, I've created new video. See this. Bro, how is this video?
Right.
Tell me the feedback. Like, because that's the way you start growing your audiences. because you have started
Right.
from one podcast and now you have completed 230 episodes and also have like thousands of listeners. So that's a great thing. And also one more, and it is a little bit personal question from my side as well.
Yeah.
पॉडकास्टिंग से सोशल मीडिया एंगेजमेंट पे कितना इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है? क्योंकि एक ही चीज को हम बहुत जगह पोस्ट कर सकते हैं, बट क्या वो इफेक्टिव रहेगा?
राइट. सो पॉडकास्टिंग में सोशल मीडिया की, फॉर एग्जांपल, if I talk about that, like let be clear that podcasting is not like rocket growth. Rocket growth होता है ना, जैसे ऐसे ऐसे rocket growth होता है, rocket. It's not like that. It's not like that, because now Google are indexing podcast audio content.
Okay.
But
No, I understand.
but it's not everywhere. It's not visible because my most of the audience coming from social media, right? So if I'm go through such kind of LinkedIn content or Instagram content or any kind of platform content, and the last position of this video, for example, I'm just shooting any kind of reels video, 30 seconds का वीडियो होता है, उसमें जो मैंने मतलब 26 का सेकंड का वीडियो होता है, 26 सेकंड में मेरा पूरा जो मतलब कंटेंट होता है वो मैं डाल देता हूँ, ठीक है. उसके बाद मतलब 4 सेकंड और 3 सेकंड होता है पॉडकास्ट के रिलेटेड डालता हूँ, एड रिलेटेड, लाइक आई हैव दिस चैनल, एंड नीचे में आता है लेटेस्ट एपिसोड एवरीडे, right? This is like an promotion.
Okay.
This is like a promotion. People knows that this channel is already available. This channel already available, and you have to share. I want to do a lot of things. Like if I go to such kind of LinkedIn post, so below section I share my Spotify link over there, because whenever my content is ranked, the people will easily access my Spotify link, right?
Yeah.
And third one, whenever I go through Instagram, so I share my podcast episode over the Instagram stories.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
Because there is another option, because people love to see your stories.
Yeah. That's the
Right?
fact. That's the fact. That's the fact.
And another option, you have to tag on Twitter. You have to tag on Twitter. A lot of podcasts are available on Twitter. Right? You have to be tweet them. Like you have to be connect with them, and you have to be share your experience. You have to be connect with them. You have to be engage with them. You have to be engage with their content as a podcaster. So make sure it can be like you have to be interconnected, and they're gonna be friend, and you have to be share your content. You have to be retweet their content. You have to be retweet your content to tag them. In this kind of way, your episode is top of the Twitter profile.
Okay. Was a fun conversation and fun chatting with you, bro.
Great.
Okay, so let's end this session. If there is anything else to share,
Yeah. So I need to know about you, man. You don't share anything.
you need to know about me. What you want to know about me.
So because I personally tell you that you have to be an unique name. There's no over the internet. I cannot find the same name like Digital AK-47, and it's really impressive. It's really unique, you know.
You want to know the reason
So,
behind the name, or you want to know the journey behind the name?
Yeah, I also know, actually I want to know recent name and how to start your journey.
No, if I started telling my journey, it will take so long. We will cover that thing some other day.
No.
The thing is,
Okay.
when I started this influencing, but the name AK-47 is like I am carrying this name from my 10th standard.
Okay.
Like I wanted to create like my name, because that time every celebrity has its own name. Like Amitabh Bachchan sir has Big B, Salman
Yeah.
is like Bhai, King of Romance SRK. So that at the time I see a lot of Bollywood movies, so I like that. Why not a nickname for me as well? So my name Ashok Kumar. So AK,
Okay.
then 47. That's the where it's created. And the journey of
It's
the
similar
journey-
like match the.
Yes.
Yeah. It's similar like match and any gun, suited gun, AK-47.
So usually people actually say that. And the journey of digital AK-47 is started like when I was in my college, people usually people usually conduct seminars like कि टैली कैसे करते हैं, आपको फिर बीबीए
हाँ हाँ
पढ़ते पढ़ते ये कोर्स भी पढ़ना चाहिए, वो पढ़ना चाहिए। ऐसे ही कुछ एक सेमिनार
राइट
आया था, लोग रैंडम लोग दो तीन लोग आए हुए थे। दे वर लाइक डिजिटल मार्केटिंग क्या होती है? मैंने बोला, भाई मार्केटिंग सुना हुआ है, बीबीए पढ़ता हूँ भाई, मुझे पता है मार्केटिंग क्या होती है, फिजिकल मार्केटिंग है या
राइट
मार्केटिंग है। तो बोला कि भाई डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, डिजिटल से करे वो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग क्यों? तब तो हम कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट है, किसी भी चीज का एक डेफिनेशन बनाना हो तो हम खुद ही बना देते थे। तो फिर
राइट
like he explained something about digital marketing and he showed some stats that blew my mind कि ये कैसे पॉसिबल है।
राइट
फिर मुझे समझ आने लगा कि मैं अगर फ्लिपकार्ट पे जूते ढूंढता हूँ तो मुझे फेसबुक पे ऐड क्यों दिखा। फिर मुझे लगा भाई कि
राइट
ये जानना है, ये मुझे जानना है, ये कैसे करते हैं। फिर मैंने डिजिटल मार्केटिंग ज्वाइन किया। फिर वहां पे मैं थोड़ा बहुत डिप्लोमा कोर्स किया, फिर मैंने ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज थोड़े बहुत ज्यादा किए, फिर यूट्यूब से सबसे ज्यादा सीखा। फिर एक दो कंपनी के लिए मैंने काम किया। अभी जो हूँ डिजिटल AK-47 अभी आपके सामने भी अलग से 1 साल से कर रहा हूँ।
बढ़िया भाई बढ़िया। और I want to share one thing that do you know that is there any kind of income for podcast? Is there any kind of chance? Do you know? Because
Because you
in
can do
Anchor,
brand collaboration, one thing.
yeah,
You can do affiliate,
yeah. hmm
something
The
like
first one, the first one. Do you know that podcast also by monetized?
podcast is also monetized.
Yeah,
That's great.
there is an option on
Then I should
monetize.
start a podcast very soon. I'm coming towards you, bro. I'm coming towards you.
Because in India, I think in India it's not possible to actually monetize your profile, but you have to monetize your profile. But is there any kind of is there any kind of chance you have to be transferred to your account? Because in India is not available right now.
Okay.
I think in future it will available, because after the certain time I think the audio content, the boom up, and the environment will change something, and technology will change, the environment, total environment, audio environment will change. So I think Anchor will allow the Indian user to transfer their account like any kind of dollar or euro, whatever,
Okay.
in rupees.
No, I'll be coming soon on podcasting very soon. Don't worry, guys. Note it. I'll be coming podcasting very soon, but not within this year. Maybe next year.
Sure man, sure.
I'll be investing and I will get some tips from psychiatrists as well.
Sure man, sure.
It was a fun chatting with you, bro.
Thank you so much for inviting me your live show. I hope we will definitely go with in-depth knowledge about in future about marketing tricks and trends and all that kind of thing, that we are know our brands, how to grow our brands, how to think like a brand, and how to the next level of marketing, like how to the next level of marketing. If you notice that a lot of the people is there, if you notice a lot of the people are just be talking about the memes marketing right now, because a lot of the companies also focus memes marketing,
Yeah.
right?
Even I have started my
So
own meme brand. So guys, those who don't know, my meme page is Digital Memes Marketing. Go check out there. Very interesting memes are coming. And I also going to start memes on podcasters. First podcaster will be Saike.
yeah,
पहला मीम तेरे पे बनाऊंगा देखना।
great man, sure.
ठीक है भाई, अगले एपिसोड में मिलते हैं, अगले लाइव भी करेंगे जल्दी। अगले लाइव तेरे अकाउंट पे करेंगे, तेरे
Okay
अकाउंट
bro,
पे ऐसे गेस्ट आएंगे पक्का।
ठीक है, great bro,
ओके ब्रो, पीस।
as you wish. Okay, bye.